Hi, we are supposed to studying the subjects loans and annuities today. Let us start with the first question. Alex invests $3,500 in a bank that offers 2.4% interest compounded annually. A choice. Calculate how much money he has in the bank after 8 years. Now let us solve this question first of all by using formula given on the formula booklet as you see here. Future value is equal to present value multiplied by 1 plus r over 100k to the power kn. Then we will solve this question by using graphic calculator. First of all, let us apply the formula here. In the question, Alex invests $3,500. It means present value is $3,500. Our rate interest, annual rate interest given here, 2.4. Compounded annually, it means that it is compounded only one time in a year. That's why k is 1. Now let us apply the formula here to get the future value is equal to 3,500 multiplied 1 plus 2.4 over 100. K is 1. That's why no need to write here. To the power in the A choice is the money is asked after 8 years. That's why we write is here 8. Now this part we will use the calculator. 3,500 multiplied in the bracket 1 plus, let us make the fraction here, 2.4, let's go down, denominator 100, let's close the bracket over 8. The answer is approximately to the nearest 4,231. Now let us solve the A choice by using the calculator. How we may find much more easily, especially for the other questions, we need to learn this calculator part. Now on the calculator, on TI-84 plus C calculator, let's use the button of apps. In the applications of button of apps, the first button is finance, enter. The first button, again here, TVM solver, it means time value many calculators solver, enter here. And means here how many years, after how many years we will find the future value, 8 years, that's why we write 8 here. For the I part, we use the 2.4 given in the question. Present value is 3,500 here. But there is a detail here. This money was given to the bank. It means that we will lose some money at the first. That's why we use the negative 3,500. Payment we don't need for this question. We will need for other questions. Future value already we will find here. Let's see the button per over year. It means that how many times periods, how many times compounded in a year? Only one time. That's why we write here the 1. Now we need to find the future value. When we come to the future value part here, we use the buttons alpha, enter, and we see the result, what we found here by calculator. Now let's see the B choice. B choice, after how many years he will have at least $5,000 here. So we may use the formula again here. The formula 3,500 multiplied by 1 plus 2.4 over 100 to the power of x, because we need to find the how many years after this. At least we need $5,000. That's why it must be bigger than 5,000. This is a really difficult question to solve without using the calculator here. That's why we will use the graphic calculator TI-84 plus C. There are two methods for this. The first method, again we will use the calculator. We will go to graph part here. This is Y part. In the Y1 part, we write the formula given here, 3,500 multiplied in the bracket 1 plus let's make again the fraction here, 2.4 over 100, close the bracket, power of x we write here. Then we need to find the money, this money we wrote as a function here on the y1 part, when passes the money of the 5,000. For this, we go to second graph part, the table part, and here, going down, using the button, we find, yes, here, you see, at 16, when x is equal to 16, it passes the money first time 5,000 part. That's why our answer using this method, and the year is 16. Second way, already we used in A choice. Second quit, already we used in A choice here. Apps button. Enter time value solver here. This time we need to find the number of the years. That's why we will find n here. By using of the A choice, some values already written here. It is nice for us. Same payment, no need. Future value. We need the 5,000 this time. Again, it will be 111. Now we are going to the button near n. This time we will use the alpha enter for n. As you see here, the answer is 15.039. It means that this answer is very close to 15, but it is not enough for us to pass the 5,015 years. That's why the year which exceeds the 15.039 is 16. It will be the answer.